In this video we show how to replace the LCD screen on a BlackBerry Pearl. The first thing to do is remove the cover and the battery from the phone. The next thing is to remove the bottom from the phone. There is two clips. Use a safe pry tool to release both the clips from the left and right side, and then use it in the middle to release the middle clips. You will then just be able to pull this cover off. Once off, this will reveal two T6 screws. Both of these need to be removed with a Torx 6 screwdriver. Flip the phone over and you'll find two more on the other side. These also need to be removed. Once the four screws have been removed from the phone, using a safe pry tool, run it along both sides, unclipping the clips to release the sides from the phone. The sides should come off quite easily. The next step is to unclip the clips from the side of the phone. There is two on both sides. You can easily do this again using the safe pry tool. Once done, you should just be able to pull the phone apart. The next step is to remove the motherboard from the casing. You should be able to do this by gently pulling the two apart. Once done, using the safe pry tool, release the clip that's holding the ribbon of the LCD screen in place. Then, still using the safe pry tool, run the pry tool along the side of the LCD screen, releasing a clip and also a small amount of adhesive that is holding the LCD screen in place. Once done, gently remove the LCD screen from the clip and you are ready to replace the screen.